billion people have been striking. We are still counting. So, this Monday, world leaders are going to be gathered here in New York City for the United Nations Climate Action Summit. Woo! The eyes of the world will be on them. They have a chance to prove that they, too, are united behind the science. They have a chance to take leadership, to prove they actually hear us. Do you think they hear us? We will make them hear us.
No matter what they do, we will continue, young people. Defend your planet. This is your home. Defend it. I'm going to lead all of you in a song. It's call and response. We do it all the time. It's Guaypiao, Guarico,
Guarico,
Arawaka,
Arawaka,
Guaitia,
Guaitia,
Guaitia, Guarico,
Guaitia, Guarico,
Arawaka, Guaitiao.
Arawaka, Kaya, Guaitia.
So, Guaitia,
Guaitia, Guarico,
Arawaka, Guaitia.
Number so that Adi Rangi, Sake, the name, Domino, Kusate, the Tayo, Tanamshi, Kuto, Dike, Kutuzi, the Amazon, the Shina, the Yakangi, the Sake, the name, the Tinga, long show, Sagi, and the Shazration. Long show, Sagi.
You remember it?
Woo! Sir, what is this? What is this?
I am the fossil fool.
You want to say something?
Yeah, please.
Hello world, plant a tree.
Yeah.
Make more of me, please.
Kick them open.
Yes.
Do what you have to do to defend your planet. Unless, of course, you got another one you're going to jump on.